Hey guys, Raccoon here from raccoonscorner.com. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for you guys, and I will be showing you what I'm unboxing and telling you at the same time. So, in this box, it's from Amazon.com, and I'm pretty sure it's an iPod Shuffle, the new kind, from Deals Plus. This is my thing that I won. So I'm going to go ahead and just unbox this for you guys, to where you can hopefully see me unboxing it. I'm not very good with unboxing videos, so sorry about that. So, let's begin. First, what I'm going to have to do this. Oh, what's this? Can you see that in there? Oh, here we go. What's this? What is in this? What is in this, everybody? Oh, you'll be amazed. What is in this little tiny box here? It will make you crap. Boom! It's a mini iPod Shuffle, if you can read that. iPod Shuffle. You can see the Apple logo. iPod. This is my third Apple product. I'm not a big fan of them. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I wanted to take off this sticker. I don't know. See, can't really read that. It's 2 gigabytes. Woo! How does it come out? It's cold. It's really cold. I don't want to break it here. So here you got the iPod. It's a mini tiny MP3 player. I have a 30 gigabyte Zune, but I might use this more. And then here's the earbuds. Apple earbuds, the volume control kinds right here. Then the kind that comes with the iPod Touch, iTouch. But yeah, this was just a quick unboxing. Oh, here we go. Maybe I can open this up for you. As I said, I'm not very good with unboxing videos. Got it. Okay, so you can see that this is the iPod. Apple logo's right there. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe for more unboxings, and this has been a Raccoon unboxing.